In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert photo on FigJam. By the end, you'll be able to bring images from your computer or the web straight onto your FigJam canvas with just a couple of quick copy and paste moves. First, head to figma.com in your browser and sign into your account. Any modern browser works well here. Once you're in, look for FigJam on the homepage. You can open FigJam directly or choose one of your recent FigJam files if you already have a board you're working on. When the file opens, you should see your canvas. This is the big open space where everything goes. Let's start with adding a photo from your computer. Open the folder on your desktop where your image is stored and select the image file you want to use. Copy it to your clipboard using your keyboard shortcut. On Windows, that's Ctrl+C, and on Mac, Command+C. Now switch back to your FigJam tab in the browser. Make sure the canvas is active and paste with Ctrl+V or Command+V. You should see the image appear on the canvas. If it takes a moment, that's normal for larger files. PNG and JPG are great choices, and GIFs can work too. If you accidentally copied just the file icon or the file name instead of the image itself, open the image preview first and copy again so the clipboard contains the actual picture. You can also pull an image from the web. Open a new browser tab, search for the photo you need, and click through to view the image at a clear, full size. Right-click the image and choose Copy Image. Avoid Copy Image Address. That only copies a link, not the picture. Then return to your FigJam canvas and paste with your usual shortcut. If the site blocks copying images, try viewing the image in a new tab or choose a different source. And remember to use images you have permission to use, especially for public or team projects. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Make sure the FigJam canvas is selected before pasting, or the paste might not land where you expect. If you're working with very large images, give the browser a second to process them. And if paste doesn't respond, click once on the canvas and paste again to refocus. That's all there is to it. Sign in at figma.com, open FigJam or a recent file, copy from your desktop and paste, or copy an image from the web and paste it back onto your canvas. You're ready to start visualizing ideas with your own images in FigJam.